This is a used 2009 Kia Sedona. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, iPod integration, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.